I embarked on a unique experiment, living by a 500-year-old morning routine for an entire month to see if it could positively impact my finances. This journey wasn't just about pinching pennies. It was about discovering timeless wisdom that could be applied to modern-day financial challenges. Here's what happened. Historical context and modern application. The 16th century was characterized by a rhythm of life attuned to the natural environment, with communities that valued resourcefulness, simplicity, and mindfulness. In attempting to translate these values into my daily routine, I sought not just to mimic the actions of past, but to understand the principles behind them and adapt them to contemporary life. Week 1. The Awakening in the Virtue of Manual Labor. The first adjustment was waking at dawn, aligning my body's clock with the natural light. A stark departure from the usual blare of the smartphone alarm, this shift had an immediate and profound effect on my sleep quality and mental clarity, offering a serene start to the day that modern technology seldom affords. Incorporating manual labor into my routine, I replaced mechanical conveniences with physical exertion wherever possible. This meant biking to work, opting for manual over electric household tools, and dedicating time to hands-on activities like gardening. The impact was twofold: a reduction in energy and transportation costs, and a newfound appreciation for the intrinsic value of work and the satisfaction it brings. Week 2. Culinary Simplicity and the Economics of Homemade Meals. This week was dedicated to rediscovering the lost art of cooking simple, wholesome meals from scratch. The dietary staples of the 16th century were surprisingly relevant. Grains, legumes, seasonal vegetables, and the occasional meat, prepared with care and attention. This practice drastically reduced my food expenses and waste, fostering creativity in the kitchen and a deeper connection to my food sources. I explored fermentation, baking, and basic gardening, skills that our ancestors relied on, which offered not only economic benefits but also a sense of autonomy and connection to the cycles of nature. Week 3. Mindfulness, Reflection, and Financial Introspection. Adopting a practice of morning mindfulness and reflection, I dedicated time to meditation, journaling, and reading, drawing on historical texts for inspiration. This practice cultivated a mindset of gratitude and contentment, significantly impacting my financial behavior. The impulse purchases and the allure of instant gratification lost their grip, replaced by deliberate decision-making and a focus on long-term satisfaction and value. This introspective practice extended into a thorough review of my financial habits, leading to a more strategic approach to saving, investing, and spending, inspired by the thoughtful resource management of the past. Week 4. Fostering Community and Sharing Economy. Reflecting on the communal aspect of 16th century life, I sought to strengthen my ties with my own community. I engaged in bartering skills with neighbors, joined a community garden, and participated in local exchange initiatives. These activities not only yielded direct financial savings, but also reinforced the social fabric and mutual support critical to both past and present communities. I discovered the power of the sharing economy, which echoes the communal resource sharing of earlier times. From tool libraries to clothing swaps, these initiatives offered practical savings and emphasized the value of community over individual consumption. The outcome: a reevaluation of wealth and well-being. The experiment proved to be more than a simple exercise in frugality. It was a profound reevaluation of what constitutes true wealth and well-being. The financial savings, though substantial, were merely one facet of the broader benefits. The adoption of a 500-year-old morning routine fostered a deeper connection to the natural world, a sense of community, and a recalibration of my values. The lessons learned were manifold: the importance of living in harmony with the natural rhythms, the value of manual labor and self-reliance, the benefits of simplicity in diet and lifestyle, and the crucial role of community and shared resources. These principles, while rooted in the past, provided a blueprint for a more sustainable, mindful, and financially sound way of living in the modern world. For anyone feeling overwhelmed by the pace and pressures of contemporary life, looking back to the wisdom of earlier times can offer valuable insights. The journey to financial freedom and personal fulfillment doesn't require cutting-edge technology or complex financial products. Often, it's the timeless principles of simplicity, mindfulness, and community that pave the way. I encourage readers to explore these historical practices in their own lives, adapting them to modern contexts and discovering their own path to financial and personal well-being. Share your experiences, challenges, and insights in the comments below. Your journey can inspire and encourage others to embark on their own exploration of the wisdom of the past. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video if you found it enlightening and thought-provoking. Together, we can rediscover the enduring values of our ancestors and integrate them into our quest for a fulfilling and financially sound life in the 21st century.